Welcome to Genius tutorial. Today we are going to learn about combined mean and standard deviation problem. So I have taken one example with series A, series B and series C. So these n values, x bar values, standard deviation values has been given in the problem. So here I want to denote these values. This is n1 value, this is n2 value and this is n3 value. And this is x bar 1 value, this is x bar 2 value, this is x bar 3 value. And next one is standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2, standard deviation 3. So these are the values is given. Now first we'll calculate the combined mean of 3 series 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the combined mean of 3 series formula is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. Substitute the values in the formula. So n1 is 200 of x bar 1 is 25 plus n2 is 250, x2 bar is 10 plus n3 is 300, x3 bar is 15 divided by n1, n2, n3 values. Okay. Now 200 into 25 is 5000 plus 250 into 10 is 2500 plus 300 into 15. 300 into 15 is 4500 divided by 200 plus 250 plus 300 is 750. So if you add the numerator values 5000 plus 2500 plus 4500, so your answer is 1200, the summation value, and 750. After dividing these values, you will be getting 16. Combine x bar 1, 2, 3 is equal to 16 is your combined mean value. Okay. Now next combined standard deviation. Standard deviation symbol is this one, 1, 2, 3 series. So we have this formula, n1 under root n1 standard deviation 1 square plus n2 standard deviation 2 square plus n3 standard deviation 3 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square plus n3 d3 square divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. So d value is nothing but deviation. So if to find out the deviation value, we need to go for this formula, combine mean minus x1 bar for d1, d2 combine mean minus x2 bar, combine mean minus x3 bar. Okay. So here d1 is equal to combined mean value is 16 and x1 bar is 25. So if you minus it, no, so you will get minus 9. d1 value is minus 9. Okay. Next d2 value is 16 minus 10. So your d2 value is 6. Next d3 value is equal to 16 minus your x bar 3 is 15. So is equal to 1 d3 value. So we got d1 value, d2 value, d3 value. Now substitute the value in the formula. Now n1 value is 200. Standard deviation 1 square. What is the standard deviation 1? 3. 3 square is nothing but 9. Okay. Plus n2 value is 250. Standard deviation 2 square. Standard deviation 2 is 4. So 4 square is 16. Plus n3 value is 300. And standard deviation 3 is 5. So 5 square is 25. Plus n1 value is 200 again, and d1 square value is, d1 value is here minus 9. So 9 square minus 9 square is nothing but 81 plus n2 value 250 into here I am writing into D2 value is 6. 6 square is 36 plus N3 value is 300 into D3 value is 1. 1 means 1 square is 1. So divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. N1 plus N2 means N1 is 200, N2 is 250, N3 is 300. So 750 is your summation value of 3 N values. Now 200 into 9, 1800 plus 250 into 16, 4000 plus 300 into 25, 7500 plus 200 into 81, 16,200 plus 250 into 36, 9,000 plus 300 into 1 is nothing but 300. Okay, so this is a, and divided by 750. Now so standard deviation 1 2 3 is equal to summation of these two, all the values, 1800 plus 4000 plus 7500 plus 16200 plus 9000 plus 300. Okay, so the summation of these all the values is 38,800 divided by 750. So divided by 750 if you do it, so summation combined standard deviation is equal to under root 51.73. so if you root it, your answer is 7.19. Combined standard deviation value is 7.19. This is the answer. Thank you for watching my video.